Hi everyone, it's Teacher Ophelia from Penny Pumpernickel Pants Play Care. Today we're going to be making a craft together. The letter P, P for parachute. You should have all your craft supplies with you if you're a pumpernickel. But if you don't and you're just joining us, don't worry. I'll have a list of supplies for your grown-ups at the end of the film. So let's get started. We're going to start with the letter P. We're going to put our craft P. Now I chose the green, but you could have any color. If you love purple, if you love yellow, it doesn't matter. Just put it on the bottom of your construction paper. I like to put it on the bottom because I'm going to be adding things at the top. I'm going to take my glue. You can have white glue, you can have a glue stick, doesn't much matter. And you're going to flip your P so it's the wrong side of the P. And we're just going to put glue on the P. I like to go around the outside with my glue stick, but if you have white glue, you can just do the same with either a popsicle stick or another object that your grown-up lets you have to spread the glue on. Then we're going to press it down like so. Perfect. Now we've got our P, but I want to make this little friend into a person who's going to be doing a parachute. So I have some orange hair. Now if you're making your own orange hair, you can make it look very different from mine, but mine I like orange hair. So I'm going to take my glue again and put it down and place it right over the opening of the P, which will be my face. After that, now I think about being parachute, I need a helmet. So I've got a little helmet here, kind of looks like a happy face. See that happy face? But it's a helmet. And I'm going to take my glue again, and I'm going to put on the helmet. Pretty easy peasy. Put it down, turn it around, and right in the middle, I'm gonna press it so all the glue sticks to the paper. Now at this point, I tell you what, I'm gonna get adventurous. I'm gonna take a marker. I use washable markers because sometimes I make mistakes, and that's okay. So I think I'm going to outline my face guard here. And you know what? I like the way that looks, but I'm going to keep going. Maybe I'm going to trace my helmet all the way around. And if it doesn't look like mine, that's okay. I'm going to turn my paper to make it a little bit more easy. All right. This is my own piece of art, so everything I do is just the way I want it. And that looks really cool to me. Maybe I'll put a little button right here for my helmet. And maybe I'll put one of these. I don't even know what that is, but I like the way it looks. So you do whatever you want. Now I'm going to take my parachute and I'm going to put it somewhere up here. Now mine, I've put little tiny folds in mine that go along the lines of what looks like an umbrella, but it's not an umbrella, it's a parachute. Now you can either choose to color your parachute before or after you glue it on your paper, but for me, I like to have everything on there so it doesn't move for me. If you're using white glue, I would tell you to color it before you put it on, just because it'll make the paper a little bit more wet, and that will make it a little bit harder for you when it's glued on your craft. Now, there it is. I think I'm going to add a line around my parachute too. I'm using blue just because I think it goes really nicely with my sky, but you can use any color you want because again, this is your craft. Some of you may go to the edge. I got a little fancy there. And then I'm going to marker in my lines right there. And look at that, it's sort of like an umbrella. Now if you had some wool or string at home, you could take the string and put it down like so, but I'm just going to use another thinner marker to put my rope that's coming from the parachute down for my parachute guy here, or gal, to do. Does that look like a parachute to you? It's starting to look like a parachute to me. Now maybe I will even color in, I don't think I want to use green, I think I'll use pink. Maybe now I will start coloring in my parachute with all sorts of colors. I know some pumpernickels who like to make rainbows. I know others that like to do all one color. Maybe you're a friend who likes to do patterns or stripes. Maybe you even have stickers at home that you could be decorating your parachute with. I don't know, it's all up to you. So as you can see, I'm just taking my time here. I'm going a little bit quicker just for you so that you can see what to do. And if you don't stay in the lines, that's okay. Sometimes I don't stay inside the lines. Nothing wrong with that when you're learning. All right, here we go. I like the way this orange is popping with the pink. Now I do need another pink. There we go. That looks really nice. Let's count the sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections on my parachute. So next I'm going to take my clouds. I have 2 clouds. You could have 3 clouds or 4 clouds. Doesn't matter. And you're just going to glue on your clouds. Some friends might want to put lines around the clouds. Maybe you want them here, maybe you want them over there. It's fine by me. Whatever makes you feel good. Then I'm going to take my glue. If you have white glue, it'll be the same. Take your glue, put it on your eyeball. I've got two googly eyes here. And I'm going to be putting them on just like that. Now what is he missing? Let me think. He's missing a mouth. So I'm going to give my friend, Mr. Parachuter, a mouth. And maybe I'll give him a nose too. Whatever you want. Perfect. All right. And I think we're done. So here you go. You can see your parachute. I'll give you guys a little view right there. There's your parachute. P for parachute. It looks amazing. I hope you love yours, and I hope you send me a picture of what you've created.